In this video, we're going to be looking at the exterior angles of a polygon. If you recall, an exterior angle is an angle that's on the outside of the polygon. So for example, if this is my interior angle, this right here would be my exterior angle, another exterior, a third exterior, a fourth exterior, and a fifth exterior. So if there's 5 interior angles, there's also 5 exterior angles. Something else important to remember is if you take your interior angle right here and you add it to your exterior angle, they'll make 180 because they're a linear pair. So if you take the sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon, no matter how many sides it has, it's going to equal up to 360 degrees. No matter what the size is, all the exterior angles always sum to 360 degrees. So let's say it's a regular polygon, so all the sides and all the angles are congruent to each other. In this case, if I want to know one of the exterior angles, then I do the sum, which is 360, divided by the number of sides, because all the angles will be the same, inside and outside. And this only works, of course, for a regular polygon. So let's do some practice. The measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is given. What is the name of the polygon? So if you recall, 360 over n was my formula. And once again, these are talking about regular polygons. So 360 over n will equal to 1 exterior angle. So 360 over n equals 90 because it tells you that. So here I'm going to take the bottom number in the denominator and multiply it to the other side. So 360 equals 90n. Now, of course, you get n by itself, you divide both sides by 90. So n equals 4. So four-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. At this time, pause the video and try these two problems out. Okay, let's give it a try. 360 over n will equal to 20. So take the n and move it over. 360 equals 20n. And divide both sides by 20. So n equals 18. So this side has 18 sides, so it's an 18 gon, basically. And one more. 360 over n equals 40. Move the n over. 360 equals 40n. Divide both sides by 40. So n equals 9. So this is a nonagon. All right, let's try these out. Oops, sorry about that. Skipped too far. Let's find the missing angle measures. So we're going to try to find x here. If you recall, all of the exterior angles of a triangle add up to 360. So 110 plus 165 plus x equals 360. 275 plus x equals 360. Subtract the 275, and you're left with 85 degrees for x. All right, at this point, pause the video and try number 14. You might need to know something about the interior angles of a pentagon to do that. Okay, in this case, we're looking for the exterior angle x, right here on the outside. If I knew the angle it was adjacent to its linear pair, then I could just say these two add up to 180. But I don't know that angle yet. However, I can find it using the other 4 angles. First, I need to know, what does a pentagon add up to? Well, the formula for that is 180 times n minus 2. 180 times 5 minus 2. So 180 times 3 equals 540. So all 5 of these angles should add up to 540. And I'm going to go ahead and call this y because I don't know what it is, and there's already an x on the outside. So let's go ahead and do the math here. 94 plus 122 plus 131 plus 115 plus y equals 540, because all the angles on the inside up to 540 on a pentagon. Okay, we add these up, we get 216 plus 131 is 347 plus 115 plus y equals 540. So 352, 362, 462 plus y equals 540. Subtract the 462, so y equals 78. So right there I can put 78 degrees. And remember, these two angles right here form a linear pair, so 78 plus x equals 180. Subtract the 78 from both sides, so x equals 102. And that's how we find the exterior angle for that problem there. Thank you for watching.